Iris Social Investing App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Iris is a social investing platform that combines portfolio management with community insights and social features. Many assume these apps are expensive or complicated, but Iris keeps pricing clear and beginner-friendly. The app is free to download, including basic portfolio tracking watch lists and community feeds. Trading fees are low, usually around per transaction, and premium subscriptions at $99 per month unlock advanced analytics, personalized recommendations, and exclusive social insights from expert investors. Most people get this wrong by thinking free social apps are too limited. The surprising truth is that even the free version provides valuable insights through community discussions, educational content, and portfolio tracking. Premium adds depth, allowing users to make more informed investment decisions. Iris also encourages learning through community engagement, simulated trading, and trend analysis, helping users improve their strategies in a risk-free way. In conclusion, Iris Social Investing App Pricing is simple and transparent. Free features offer essential tools for new investors, while the $99 premium plan unlocks analytics and expert insights. For anyone looking to combine social learning with investing, Iris delivers a cost-effective and engaging experience.